Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send an invoice on Payoneer, and this is actually a very simple tutorial, so let's get into it. At first you're going to head over to your Payoneer and then sign into your account, and then it should look something like this, and we're going to click on get paid right over here. Once you click on that one, you need to request all the way down until you find something called request payment or create a professional invoice. Either one, just click on that and it will bring you to this page where you have to select a pair which might already be added, but if it's not added in your list yet and if it's a new guy, you're going to click on add new pair, and then you're going to put in the details of the guy to whom you're going to send the invoice to, and then click on next. From there it's going to say payment details, so put in how much amount you want, what is the invoice description, like what will it show when you send it to the person, the due date, like by which date should they pay you, and if you have any attachments you can upload it with this, and then click on create invoice, and then you can send that to anyone you want, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.